Palladium in its original state is D10, which is 10 electrons. In this complex, this is neutral. This ligand gives one charge, this ligand gives one charge, this ligand gives one negative charge. This is neutral, so it is 2 positive in this complex, equals to D8, which is equals to 8 electrons, whereby the neutral compound, the neutral ligand, have 2 electrons. It is neutral because it has 2 carbons. And then the other 3 bonds, 1 bond equal to 2 electrons. So 3 bonds equal to 6 electrons. And we get this. So the total electron is 8 plus 2 plus 6 electrons equals to 16 electrons. Rhodium in its original state is D9, which is 9 electrons. But in this case, rhodium have one charge, which is D8, which is equal to 8 electrons. The one charge comes from this ligand because both ligands are neutral. Then the 2 neutral ligands, one of them is equal to 2 electrons. It has 2 of them. So 4 electrons. Next, this compound is allyl. Cyclopentadiene, which is equal to 6 electrons. So the total is 8 electrons plus 4 electrons plus 6 electrons equal to 18 electrons.
Iron in its original state is D8, which is 8 electron. This is positive 1 and this is positive 1 in this complex. Thus, iron in this complex has 2 charge, which is D6 with 6 electron. This ligand here is eta 5 because it has 5 bonding atoms to the metal. Eta 5 ligand has 6 electrons. Each of this CO ligand has 2 electron counts. There are 2 CO ligand here, hence we times 2. And the total of all these electrons is 6 plus 6 plus 4, 16 electron.
So this is a second last question. As we know, tungsten in original state is have D6 equal to 6 electron, and in this diagram tungsten have 2 electron, which is tungsten 2 positive equal to D4 and have 4 electron. After that, in this diagram we have eta 5, which is negative, which is negative charge, have negative charge equal to 6 electron, and then have eta 3. The eta 3 is equal to 4 electron, and then each of these carbon monoxide ligand has 2 electron. So we have, in this diagram we have 2 carbon dioxide, so have 4 electron. The total of this electron is 4 electron plus 6 electron plus 4 electron and plus 4 electron is equal to 8 electrons. So thank you.
We have zirconium. Zirconium in its original state is equal to D4. As we all know, we have 2 positive charge, which is D2. This means we have 2 electrons here. This ligand here is atom 5 because it has 5 bonding atom to the metal. Atom 5 ligands has 6 electrons. Based on the diagram, we have chloro and hydrogen. Each of these bonds has 2 electrons. For the final part, we will be adding all of these electrons. 2 electron plus 6 electron plus 6 electron plus 2 electron plus 2 electrons equal to 18 electrons.